All right, you guys, welcome to another episode of Gadget D. And in today's video, I do have something a little different, but this is something that I've been waiting to find. I just want to give a shout out. I hope I'm saying his name correctly. Tactile keyboards. Anyway, I'll have his video linked in the description, so you can definitely check out that video. But let's go ahead and get into this product today. Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard. Say that real fast. Basically, what we have is just a company that's trying to collaborate two worlds of minimalism and mechanical. So everybody usually associate mechanical keyboards with gaming. And just like everybody else, I really enjoy those gaming keyboards with the RGB lights and the different specs with those. But however, sometimes I like to switch it up. So shout out to Random Frank P with that. So I do like to have sometimes a minimalistic look, but this is gonna give me both. So I'm super excited to check this out. Y'all know I like to unbox everything with y'all, so let's check it out. All right, you guys, so in the box, you get this little box strip, and it has all your accessories in there. So basically, you have your keycap remover. So basically, this is more of a better keycap remover with the metal ends. In the middle, you have your replacement keycaps. And then you also have your USB Type-C cable. That's gonna be really, really good because just about everything that I have, usually that means one cable to carry around when all your devices support USB Type-C. And then of course you have your manual that gives you all the features that this wireless keyboard comes with. And so you get this layout, this picture layout, which is very nice of how the keyboard that you particularly get. I went with the full size keyboard because the number pad is very important to me. But onto the back, we have the steps and directions of how to connect to your device. So I would definitely read that if you need to. We'll check this out in a minute. All right, so onto the keyboard. Okay, you guys, so just to make sure you are aware, I did purchase this keyboard from Amazon, so I would definitely leave the link in the description box as usual. But let's go ahead and check out all the features and the specs that comes with this wireless RGB keyboard. guys, so we are back. I really hope you enjoyed that typing experience as I did. I definitely think this keyboard surpassed my initial, or my expectations, I should say. But it was really nice. It was really nice and just typing on it, just feeling the keys, being very responsive to my typing. But it's some things I definitely wanted to mention before the end of this video. So connecting Bluetooth was very easy. Also, one more thing I definitely want to note, that button right there is a dedicated Siri button. So that is very nice for all you Mac users. However, it's just a nice feature to have in general in case you're switching between devices. So that's something I definitely do with having PC and Apple devices as well. And we definitely want to notate how well built this keyboard is. It's very nice. It has some good weight on it. So I personally like that. I don't know how well they're able to do this, but I don't feel like the keys would get sticky. So you know, sometimes that when you're dealing with keyboards that those keys get stuck at some point. I don't think that's definitely going to be the case. I'm not sure if that's ever will be the case with mechanical keyboards. It also says in the instructions that you're able to utilize the Siri button for Cortana, or I believe that's how you pronounce that. So that's really good. So for you PC users like myself, we can utilize that button on Windows as well. Two more things I wanted to notate, that you're able to disable auto sleep mode. The keyboard goes to sleep within 10 minutes of inactivity. That can be a little annoying. I can definitely see that, especially for myself. Sometimes I do take a quick break, or I am doing something where I'm not utilizing the keyboard for 10 minutes or longer. So the keyboard going to sleep mode, I probably would disable that. And if I'm going that long on the keyboard, it's probably gonna be fully charged anyway. So you definitely can do that, which is good. The last thing I want to know is all the different modes you can go through. So I definitely try to go through all the RGB lights. They're very, very nice. And I think that's another amazing thing that they incorporated in this keyboard. So one more thing that I do want to know, in case you don't want to use RGB, you can just use just the white background. That's why I got this one. They do have a solid white version, white LED background version. But I mean, if you can get more out of your money, then why not go for the RGB? And that way you have two options. So that was my whole point of choosing RGB as well. I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, so far, I think I'm gonna really enjoy this keyboard. Like I said, it's definitely gonna be on the go with me, and you know, for my little portable workstations. I am looking to find something more of a compact look, you know, maybe test those out. I know that 75% is not that common, but they're definitely out there. If you have any recommendations, please be sure to leave them down in the comment section. I will definitely review those and check them out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, or you can dislike. Good criticism is always accepted this way. Thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.